Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio up here, and this time we're demonstrating an AM 8-track out of a 66 T-Bird. It's now an AM FM 8-track with Bluetooth. This comes from Chris in Glenwood, Maryland. Chris has requested the modern FM conversion with the Bluetooth, so we're going to make sure it all works before we send her back. I got it set to AM at the moment. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Okay, and we'll just make sure the first we'll check our speakers. Left. That's the balance that we're checking. Okay, now we're going to switch to FM, which we do by turning the unit off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing.
Ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Okay, now we're going to go to FM by turning it off, then right back on within a half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM, and we'll just run down the dial. Make sure we pick up some FM stations.
Palabra y luz con
The Lions Home Improvement.
plumbing needs, it's Collins Comfort.
Come away.
Approved the first major law.
Okay, now we'll try the 8-track. Got some Neil Sedaka here.
You'll find that living's great. Just pretend you're open up your eyes. Because it's you what you pay. Alice is plenty of fish in she's free. Hurry on up.
All right. Pull the tape, radio comes back. So there's that, and we'll just check the dial light real quick, make sure that works as well. Yeah, you can see it lighting up on that opening in the bottom there. So we're all set to go here. She's ready to go back. I'm ready to get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio up here. And to reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And if you download and print the work order, which you're going to need to send with the unit anyway, you'll save both of us a lot of time on the phone asking a whole bunch of the same old questions over and over, because all my options and prices, including turn times, are right there in the work order as you're filling it out. So please make that the first step towards contact me. It asks me about my prices and stuff. Download and print the work order and have it in your hand before you call, and that'll save us a whole lot of trouble. Thanks so much for watching, listening, guys, and thank you, Chris, for your business all the way from, Maryland, and we'll see you next time.